What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss the fourth stimulus check updates, what's going on in the United States, Washington, D.C., money, investing, the stock market, and pretty much everything you need to know about on a daily basis. If you don't know, I'm also a seller on Amazon, Amazon FBA. I have a business selling products on Amazon, and I source my products from a website called Alibaba.com, which is where you can go and find manufacturers from all across the world and get your products made. Whatever type of products you want to get made, you can get made directly from Alibaba.com. And they already have manufacturers that are already making the exact products you want to get made. So in this video, kind of a bonus video, I'm going to show you how you can get any type of product you want to get made from manufacturers that are already making them on Alibaba.com, and how you can sell products on Amazon and make an extra side business and extra side income all in a quick few minutes. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. So you're probably familiar with Amazon, but you might not be familiar with that a lot of Amazon's business is sold by people like me and you. You probably know eBay. Well, people that sell on eBay make a living, but a lot of the products that are sold on Amazon are actually sold by third-party sellers like me and you. And you can sell on Amazon and actually make a side income or a full-time income as well. And a lot of people are actually making thousands and thousands of dollars with just one product or for every single product they sell. Now, in this example, we're going to use these little plants. My wife has some of these around the house. They're called succulent plants. And we're going to just look at these on Amazon. As you can see here, in the first page results, some of these are selling for $62, $23.99, $15.89, $37.99, $76, all sorts of different prices here. Probably the average price is anywhere $22, $15, $29, $19.99. So we're just going to kind of grab some of these here. We'll go with, yeah, look at these. I mean, the average price, we'll go with some of the kind of lower middle average price here of $19.99. Now, they actually sell these succulent plants in real and fake varieties. So just as an example, you could sell either version, but that's not really important here. So what's important here is that these 5 little plants here are selling for $19.99. Now, you go over to Alibaba.com and you can just type these in here. Succulent plants, type that in. And you're going to find these on Alibaba.com for literally, because you can see here, look, 85 cents to 92 cents, $1.20, 15 to 25 cents, and you're going to find the real versions and the fake versions, depending on what type you want to sell. $1.60, $2.30, $1.63, $1.23, 57 cents, all sorts of different kinds. Look, you can see European marble, wooden. I mean, look at how nice this is. And you're going to find all sorts of different varieties of manufacturers that already make these from all across the world. And again, they have this for every single type of product you could ever want, and they're already making these. You literally just go on here and you can compare prices for all sorts of different varieties. I mean, look at how nice some of these are. And again, there's literally hundreds or thousands of manufacturers already making these. And what you can do is you can private label these, which means put your own company name on it. You can come up with whatever company name you want to make, put your company name on it, and then you have your own company name. You could be the Jimmy Succulent Plant Company, you know, whatever name you want to make it. And what you can do is put 5 of these in here. Let's just say they cost $1 a piece here as an example. These are 50 cents to $1 a piece, right? Let's say you picked out 5 of these for $1 a piece, and you could sell them on Amazon for $20. So yeah, so you could see how you can make a nice little side business or even full-time business selling these type of products on Amazon. And this is just one example product. You could sell 5 products or 10 products on Amazon. People sell these products on eBay. And again, this is how you can find manufacturers on Alibaba.com and sell products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, pretty much anywhere around the world. And a lot of people really don't know this. It's actually pretty Amazing thing to do. And the cool thing with Alibaba is you can actually compare prices. They have trade assurance. So when you place your first order or place any order, really, obviously you'd start with your first order, but you have trade assurance so that if anything goes wrong or anything like that, you're basically guaranteed. So you won't lose your money, or if there's any problems like that, Alibaba will guarantee. So you're basically not going to have any problems. Basically gives you that extra peace in mind so your transaction is safe and secure and you're worry free. Alibaba.com also offers many different supply options, including ready to ship, different levels of customization, drop shipping, and more. And now is actually a good time to check out Alibaba.com right before the holidays, stock up for the holiday season. So check out Alibaba.com today so you can worry less and sell more. I'll link you to another video on how to sell products on Amazon with Alibaba.com here in just a moment. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below to the It's Jimmy channel here on YouTube. It's completely free to do so. I will also link you to my newest YouTube video here. And over here is another video. You can click here on how to sell more products on Amazon. I'll teach you how to do that and sell products with Alibaba.com. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next video.